The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has just been leaked, and now, almost everything about this phone is out in the open. The leak gives us a clear look at the device into color options Moonstone and Obsidian right before Google's official event on August 20th, and from what we've seen, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is shaping up to be Google's biggest and most powerful phone yet. At first glance, the design of the Pixel 10 Pro XL doesn't seem too different from the regular Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. It has the same soft rounded corners, a smooth metal frame, and the signature pill-shaped camera bar on the back. The front of the phone features a large 6.8-inch AMOLED display with very slim bezels and a centered punch-hole selfie camera. Overall, the design continues Google's clean and modern look that Pixel fans have come to expect. One interesting thing that remains from the previous model is the temperature sensor located in the rear camera module. This feature was first introduced in last year's Pixel 9 Pro, and it looks like Google is keeping it for the XL model as well. When it comes to performance, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to be a real powerhouse. It will run on Google's brand new Tensor G5 chip, which should bring better performance and improved AI capabilities. This is paired with 16 GB of RAM, giving the phone plenty of power for multitasking, gaming, and demanding apps. Storage options are also getting a boost. While the regular Pixel 10 Pro might still start at 128 GB, the XL version will begin at 256 GB, with additional options for 512 GB and even 1 TB. That means more space for apps, photos, videos, and files. Especially helpful for users who store everything on their phone. The camera setup on the Pixel 10 Pro 40 looks very familiar. According to the leak, it will include a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens. The selfie camera remains at 32 megapixels. While the camera hardware is mostly the same as the Pixel 9 Pro, we can expect new software features powered by Google's advanced AI. So even if the camera specs haven't changed, the photo and video quality might still improve significantly. One of the most exciting updates is the battery. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is rumored to pack a huge 5,200 mAh battery, the biggest ever in a Pixel phone. This could mean much better battery life compared to previous models. And when it comes to charging, it's expected to support 39W wired charging and 15W wireless charging with Qeta compatibility. That should make charging faster and more convenient for users. In terms of pricing, the leak comes from Germany and suggests that the starting price will stay around €12.99. This is similar to last year's pricing, so it looks like Google isn't going for a price hike despite the improved specs. That's good news for anyone planning to upgrade. The Pixel 10 Pro XL is expected to launch alongside other devices at the upcoming Made by Google event on August 20th. This includes the Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro Fold, Pixel Watch 4, and Pixel Buds 2a. However, it's worth noting that not all of these products might be available in every region right away. Some markets may have to wait a little longer to get certain devices. With the Pixel 10 Pro XL, Google seems to be focusing on refining its formula rather than making drastic changes. That makes sense considering the competition from Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra, Galaxy Z Fold 7, and Apple's upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max. Instead of chasing flashy hardware, Google appears to be betting on smart software features, smooth performance, and long-term software updates to set its new Pixel phones apart. In the end, the success of the Pixel 10 series may depend more on how well the software experience is optimized, how stable and consistent the phone feels in daily use, and how long Google commits to supporting it with updates. With strong competition all around, Google has to offer something special, and with the Pixel 10 Pro XL, they just might. We'll know everything for sure when the official event takes place on August 20th. Until then, these leaks give us a pretty solid idea of what to expect from Google's biggest phone of the year.